Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a bangle bracelet. I will show you guys what they look like. These are my personal bangles that I personally wear. So these are for me. So I'll show you what they look like. And these are this is a designer charm with a silicone charm. And then this is some more over here on this hand. This is a Coco Chanel one with a Louis Vuitton. And it has like this really cute mini charm. Can y'all see that? Like that. So yeah, I will show you guys how to make one of these. And plus, if you are wanting to start a business or wanting to know how to make one of these, you will learn today in today's video. So I will also be giving out one free US charm vendor throughout this video, so don't skip through the video. So keep on watching, and I don't want the intro to be too long, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started into the video. Okay, so basically I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to basically make this bangle. So the supplies you will need are split rings. I prefer split rings. I don't use jump rings anymore because jump rings tend to fall off a lot quicker than split rings. So the size I use 8mm, I use 6mm, but in today's video I'll be using 8mm. They look really small, so I hope you guys can see them. They look like this. And you will also need a bangle. You can get these off of Amazon. You can get like 60 in a pack for like $13 or $15. Sometimes it depends on the price, and it depends on the vendor that you get it from. And they also have like 75 for like $17. So yeah, in today's video I'll be using 2 bangles. You will also need to pick out charms that you want to use. I'm making a set for today's video. And you will also need a split ring opener. They look like little claws basically. And then you will need a flat nose plier. And then I don't know what this plier is called, but I use this to close the bangle. So that's pretty much all you will need. So basically, what you want to do, you want to take your bangle, and this is also a 2.6-inch bangle, gold bangle. So you want to take the flat nose plier. You wouldn't want to open it like this. From this little part right here, you want to take it and you want to insert your flat nose plier in between there, and you want to basically bend it open to where it will look like this. And you want to open it, take it off like that, so that way it will be open instead for you to use your bangle. Then you want to take your split ring or jump ring. Take a split ring, and you want to take your split ring opener. Put your split ring into the split ring. Take your split ring opener to the split ring, and you want to open it like this, so that it will be open. You want to take the charm that you'll use. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this Care Bear charm, a lollipop, and a tassel. I'm going to use this kind of like sailor charm with this Eiffel Tower charm. And I'm going to put three charms on this bangle, 2 charms on this bangle. So I'm going to take my charm. This is what the charm looks like. And you're going to plop it onto there. Like that. You want to take your flat nose plier. You want to bring the split ring around so that way it locks the charm in, and it'll look like that. And you'll do the same thing for the other charms. Loop it through. And you want to bring the split ring around, and it'll look like this. Just like that. And for a tassel, I necessarily don't use like a split ring because it already has like a little loop through there. So that's for this bangle. And then for these other 2, I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to take the split ring, open it, place my charm inside of it, through. Just like that. So, if you are still watching this video, I'm about to announce the vendor. The vendor, a free vendor that you can get from me. I don't sell this vendor, and this is a US based Instagram vendor. Her Instagram is the Charm Girls. If I didn't say it correctly, I will have it linked below in the description box for you all to go on her page and order some really cute charms. She sells designer charms and many other charms. So that's just for the people who didn't want to buy if you don't feel like buying a vendor or feel like searching for a vendor. That is one of the free charm vendors that I had to give out to y'all. So yeah, keep on watching the video. And last charm. Charm is, that's why you have to be careful when you're doing the charm part. Just get it onto there like that. It looks like that. So now what you want to do is, since we got all of our charms onto a split ring, what you want to do is, this is also how I set it up like this, so I can see what it looks like. Just like that. Now you want to take your bangle. You want to take the main charm, which is the Care Bear charm. Plop it onto there first. Do the same thing for the second charm. Same thing for the tassel. Just loop it like that and it'll look just like this. Then you want to close it. Take this, go under like that. Take your other plier. You don't have to use these, but I just prefer to use them because it closes better. You can take your flat nose plier and close it till it snaps. So you hear that little snap sound. And you adjust it to where it closes. Make sure it's closed good. And it just basically comes out like this. So there you have your charm bracelet. And I want to do the same thing for these other two. Take your plier, insert it between that little gap right there. Open it up like that. Take your charm, put it onto the bangle, and you close it like that. And basically this is what everything looks like on the final touch. So I'm going to put it on my hand so y'all will see what it looks like. A better view. Okay, so this is basically the final touch of the bracelet. So in the first bangle we have 3 charms. On the second bangle we have 2 charms. This is basically an example of what a $10 charm set bracelet would look like. This will be posted on my website so you guys can get this bangle. And it's really pretty. I like the way it came out. It was really good. So hopefully this video did help you guys out. And I'm really satisfied how this bangle came out super pretty. Hey guys, okay, hopefully that video did help you guys understand how to make a bangle more. So hopefully all your questions are answered on like the supplies you need and stuff. Yeah, so this is just what it looks like. Once again, can't really see, but yeah, this will be posted on my website and on my Instagram for purchase. I accept Cash App and PayPal. Yeah, this is just basically what it looks like, and it looks really cute. I like the way it came out. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Don't forget, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this to your friends and stuff. And if you have any other questions, let me know. I will make more videos on like how I package and stuff. And yeah, so hopefully this video did help you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Rich Accessories. Don't forget to, so you can buy you some cute bangles, bracelets, necklaces, and many more stuff that I sell. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hold on. Before this video do end, I do want to show y'all these other sets that I do have that I am selling. So this is a designer set right here. These 2 cute orange and blue Gucci sets for $8, and then I have some more with some Betty boot charms. And then we have this one. It has a Chanel charm on it. This is also for $8. So basically all these sets you're looking at are $8. And yeah, so, and I also have a $10 set here with 2 bangles. So yeah, don't forget to shop with me, Rich Accessories. Just wanted to let y'all know that before I do unlock the video. Okay, thanks.